In 1985, Dale Olson, my dad, founded Dale's Heating & Air Conditioning on family values, fair pricing, and great customer service. I'm Brian Olson, and 32 years later, we're still proudly serving the greater Madison area. Before you crank up the AC this summer, be sure to call us for a thorough AC inspection and tune-up. With the money you'll save by having an air conditioning system run more efficiently, that tune-up could pay for itself. Your home is your castle, and as your local Bryant dealer, we'll do whatever it takes to ensure that your castle is comfy.
Dale's Heating & Air Conditioning, putting your comfort first.